Okay, so we've got all of our mounting equipment in place. The CineBright can be placed at different spots along the mount here. Typically what you want is to fill about as much of the phase shifting optic, the PSO, as you can. In our little example here, we have a pretty long focal length lens, so we're only going to fill so much. I do have the CineBright spaced pretty far forward from the lens, specifically to fill that PSO. With a shorter throw lens in most applications, you will be closer to the lens, but you do not want to be too small on the PSO. It will make the alignment much more difficult. So I would recommend bringing it out about as far as you can. Fill as much of the PSO as you can, but obviously without getting into the edges of the mounts. First thing we'll do is just center the CineBright side to side. I like to use these little marks here as a reference. I can see this is off center, so I'll slide that over a bit. Of course, I can stand in front of the CineBright, which you probably will not be able to do in most projection booths. But maybe measure with a ruler or hold a piece of paper up. Use some method to make sure that you are centered from side to side. If it's not, you will have a lot more problems, possibly not be able to align it at all, if these basic mechanical adjustments are not done. So we're going to call that good, side to side. The next thing I'm going to look at is the height of my entrance window. I can see right now I'm clipping a little bit. I'm low, so I'll lower the back a little bit. I'm now starting to clip on the top, and there's the bottom, so I'm going to center in between. Now the next thing I'll do, this front adjustment will set our tilt angle, and I want to adjust that so that the light hitting the PSO, I'm not looking at the light on the entrance window, but looking inside at the PSO, seeing where the light is hitting on that, and I want to center that to be in the middle. Not too high, not too low, but in the middle. So I can see now that I'm low on the PSO. So I will adjust this tilt angle. Until I'm pretty much centered on that PSO. This is an important step. If you're too high or too low on the PSO, you'll find that as you're trying to align the CineBright, you'll be able to get the top edge of the test pattern and the bottom edge of the test pattern aligned, but the center point will be off vertically. So when you're doing your alignment, if you find that you get top and bottom edge, but not the middle, this is most likely the reason. Go back and double check this. Centered on the PSO is going to be your best bet. You also want to check to make sure that you're not twisted relative to the screen. You really want the face of the CineBright parallel to the screen. You can check that with a laser pointer held along the edge of the CineBright. What I'll usually do is to check one side, then check the other. That way I can just see where it's hitting on the test pattern and get it centered on that. Another trick is if you are checking a laser off of the base, you want to be basically just a little bit under center of the test pattern on the screen. But again, really focus on making sure that you have the light centered on the PSO